All right, we're at the Genesis House located at 40 10th Avenue, New York, New York. And we're next to the Highline. So let's come in and take a look and see what kind of stuff they have. Okay.
We're looking at a limited edition, launch edition. Only 500 of that particular model made.
Nice.
3.3 twin turbo, all-wheel drive. And our gorgeous matte finish.
Wow. Do they have an electric version yet or no?
Oh, we have our first EV is actually coming out this spring.
Okay.
And I would love to show that to you when we get over there.
Okay.
And by the summer, we will have 3 electric vehicles, including
Really?
that G80 that you just looked at. That will be
Okay.
electrified.
And what is the price range on this right now?
So this is going to be 48 to 65.
Okay. 48 to 65. Is that the most expensive model or is it?
Oh, no. We do have our G90. That is our executive vehicle.
Okay.
And we can start.
Sure, yeah. Definitely, I'll follow you.
Now you may have noticed the mesh curtains that drape along the vehicles. That was actually designed to look like an evening dress.
I didn't know there was actual vehicle.
vehicle.
Yeah, I didn't know there was actual vehicle underneath this,
Yes.
which is nice actually, the way they did it.
Yeah, so architects, they designed the space. They're based in Seoul. And that's just one design element here.
Okay.
Really just to beckon people's curiosity, beckon more.
Right.
So we're looking at our G90.
Okay.
And that is a flagship sedan. That's our largest sedan.
Okay. It's beautiful.
And to the left, we have the vehicle that won SUV of the year. That's our GB70.
Mm.
And will be electrified this summer.
This one will be electrified. Okay.
Yes, 310-mile range.
Wow.
We don't have pricing or any specs released just yet.
It's coming out this summer, you said?
This summer.
Okay. Okay. Very nice.
Now, if you notice, some of the vehicles are framed with these what we call infinity mirrors.
Okay.
And if you stand in front of the mirrors, there's this sense of always progressing, always going forward, and that's part of the brand message.
Wow. And this is, I assume, this is a concept car right now?
This is our concept
Yes.
vehicle. This is the Essential. We will be cycling concept vehicles through the space.
Wow.
So this was actually debuted at the New York Auto Show in 2018.
Wow. This is beautiful.
This is very important for us because it was our first EV.
This is the first EV. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful design. This film is a little.
The interior was inspired by a New York City speakeasy.
Really?
All cognac in color.
Okay.
And copper, just like my shirt, is actually one of the brand colors for Genesis.
Wow.
And if you notice the wheels, it did have some fun on the tracks.
Yeah. Someone took a good spin on it.
As you see, the
Beautiful.
roof is all glass, and it's so the driver and passenger feel very connected to nature, very
Wow.
connected to the world outside of the vehicle. It's an individual black and copper dot,
Wow.
and when we do collaborations, we can actually put their content up,
Okay.
and we can also shut the content off, and it will follow the silhouette of whoever's walking in front of it.
Oh, I see. So it has sort of like, I don't know, detection
Yeah, some cameras there.
cameras. Okay. Very nice. How long Genesis House been open?
November 21st.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, I'm surprised I never noticed it.
Now here we are at a very important vehicle. This is our first EV that will be launched this spring.
Okay.
This is our GV60, and I believe this is the only GV60 around that you'd be able to see
Okay. But this is sort of like the one that's, you mentioned that's coming out
this spring.
This spring.
It's our first EV.
first EV. Okay.
Now the interior is actually plant-based.
Okay.
So it's made from pure polymer
Wow.
and recycled bottles,
Hmm.
and also recycled footprints.
Very nice. Very nice.
We're very excited.
This is yeah. This seems like everybody, is into electric nowadays. So
Yes.
like you have to have one of these.
Our charge time 10 to 80% will be under 18 minutes.
Now we're heading downstairs to an event room that you can rent. It's approximately, from what I heard, was 80,000 square feet. So let's take a look.
Well, if you moved, we could set it up however the guests would like.
Okay.
Banquet table, serving light bites, cocktails, and so on.
And how many square footage is down here?
I think it's 8,500 square
8,500 square feet. Okay.
You're in a garden setting, there's marble and statues.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The staff is so wonderful.
Here we do have our LED immersive stage,
Oh.
232 people
Wow.
can be hosted in here.
Very nice. Wow. This is nice. So this screen will be used for any kind of events.
So we have had fashion shows already. We had Philip Lim have an event here. Peter Doe hosted a fashion event.
Wow.
We will be hosting TED Talks, collaborating with Food, Film, Fashion
Okay.
in the space. We have a 25-year lease here, so our intention is to really immerse ourselves with the
And use it.
community.
Yes. So to be notified of events happening here, you guys generally just sign up on the email list
Right
on the
online.
website. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
GenesisHouse.com, you can subscribe there.
Okay. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this in the bottom too. Oh, that's very nice. It's beautiful. I'm sure you can be very successful in this space. And now we will be heading up to a restaurant, which is on the 3rd floor, and it is gorgeous. So we're taking this elevator, which is all copper color, and it's also a beautiful work of art. So let's take a look. We'll go in, take a look at the restaurant, and let her explain more about the features of this.
As you notice, when you look up, you won't see any screws or nails. It's all done by interlocking system.
Really? Wow. So all the furniture, everything is done by
All of the roofing here.
the roofing here.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
And the artifacts that you see, they're actually all curated by RM Jiggy. That is a nonprofit to uphold and preserve and celebrate Korean tradition.
Very nice. Oh, this is beautiful.
We have some photos here of some recipes
Okay.
in our restaurant. We have a nice book there.
Very nice.
And here as well, our light pipe.
Cheers. Wow, it's beautiful. Very nice. I love these clean restaurants.
It's a beautiful place to watch the sunset when
Oh.
the day allows.
Yes.
Oh, it is
I see the open window concept all over.
It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yes. So our library circles our tea pavilion,
Okay.
and all of these books are curated by Awesome.
Hmm.
We do have a 10,000 square foot outdoor terrace as well. We will be hosting events up there in the warmer months.
Yeah, this is definitely very nice.
You'll see the Highline sits right behind it.
Is this where the coach? No, this is not the coach building.
That's the standard.
Oh, the standard. Okay, okay. The coach is on the all the way on the other side.
And our tea pavilion, on the interior of the tea pavilion, all of our books are actually Korean in essence.
Okay.
We do offer slippers for our guests, or they may go in their socks.
Are these restaurants all have to be reserved, like in terms of?
No, you can just come anytime. The actual restaurant, yes.
Okay.
We open at 5 and reservations are made on Resi.
Okay, okay.
We will be at the tea pavilion anytime.
Anytime, tea pavilion. Okay,
As long
okay.
as there's availability.
Okay. Oh, really nice. And when you mention tea pavilion, is the menu is basically just different types of tea? I mean,
Yes.
is that what it is? It's like you can sit in there.
Sit in there. We have very traditional teas. So
Okay.
our teas generally are made from fruits and vegetables.
Okay. Beautiful.
And we will be offering a tea service. It's going to be a 2-hour tea service with our tea master.
Well, there you have it. This is the Genesis House located in Chelsea, New York. I'll try to post the menus at the end of this video, but if you have a chance, please come and visit. Until next time, take care, everybody.